Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to quit WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video till the end. Give your likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to open WhatsApp with you. Then we have chats, contacts, calls, you and I click settings. And if we scroll down, there is no log out button, as there is in Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, and so on. In order to log out of WhatsApp, we need to completely uninstall WhatsApp on iPhone or Android, and then re-download it in Google or Google Play Apple Store. But before you do that, you have to go to settings first. Open chats, and here click on chats backup. Make sure to make a backup, so that all your chats, photos, correspondence will be saved. Once you get through this download here, you exit completely. You pinch the WhatsApp app, click Remove App and uninstall. After that, go to Play Store or Play Market. Type in WhatsApp and download the app again, and then re-enter. If you liked this video and it helped you, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.